Well, hello and welcome to my studio and this online workshop for 2019. I'm really excited about all of the projects that we're going to do. We're going to be working on a few different kinds of surfaces and board, and we'll be doing watercolor and mixed media. I'll talk about the paints that I use and the qualities of paint, as well as the palette that I've chosen to use. I'll talk about brushes and some of my favorites and how I use them. I'll even show you a little demonstration on some of the ways that I use those brushes. Just a little landscape. You'll watch me as I do a live demo in front of a group of students. But I probably don't need too much more at this point. Watching students hard at work. I'll also take you into my studio for a peek inside and show you where I'm inspired and where I create. Come with me as we go on an amazing journey into watercolors. All right then. So from Chili and I in Chili, Minnesota, let's get painting. Chili, come here. Say hello.